If you spend 8 hours a day in one room, this is the upgrade I would recommend first. This is the Blueair Signature Medium Air Purifier, and I think it's the sweet spot for bedrooms, home offices, nurseries, or any room where you just really spend most of your day. Now, if you're doing a comparison, this is the Signature Large and this is the Signature Medium, so you can immediately see how different the footprint size is for both of these. This one's gonna be taller, this one's gonna be much bigger around. Now, just like the Signature Large, the Signature Medium uses that 7-stage filtration, and that's gonna remove up to 99.97% of airborne particles. So think about your dust, pollen, pet dander. Plus you have that dynamic display. So you wave to wake it up and it's automatically going to adjust to your changing conditions. This one constantly monitors your air quality. So it's always working without you having to think about it. I love that it automatically scans, gives you a check mark, and then it'll tell you air is clean. Watch, here we go. Air is clean. Here's how you change the filter in these. You just pop that right open. This is where the magic happens, and these are the filters that Blueair is known for. You'll tap your smartphone right here to mark that you have a new filter. Snap that back in. The cover goes right on top, and yes, this is washable too. And then we're back to that high-end chic design. Now, Blueair also built in their odor fence technology into this design, so you're gonna get up to 10 times more odor removal. You get the smart app control and the patent-pending filter that lasts up to twice as long before needing to be replaced. This is one of those products you set up once and it quietly improves the room that you're breathing in every single day. Now, Blueair has their products in over 50 million homes worldwide, and they almost never put these on sale, but they are running a discount right now for a short time. So if you're ready to upgrade the room where you spend the biggest part of your day, I'm gonna put a shopping cart link for you right down here on the video so you can.